And then I can fix the angle. If we're not in the right angle, I can fix it. And then we will. There's not a lot of powder left. Cover this. Okay, let's go in with some delicious Roma. And then do another Roma. Let's do a third Roma. And it smells so good. Yeah, it's gonna be thick. This is the pink powder Blancanieves.
You actually used that full bag?
Yes, mommy. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Okay, play. I added the neon color. Okay, we can do a little one. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, that is powdery. Ooh, this is big. Was that perfect? Was I in the right angle? This fucking comet is killing me. Thank you. I am sold out. Hold on, honey. Don't come down. This is such a pretty color. There was one time a lot of powder in her sink. Oh, that video is on my page. If anybody wants to see that mountain in the sink, it's on my page. It got crazy. I thought I was gonna break my sink. And we mixed everything, baking soda, Comet, laundry. It was just a little bit of everything. Girl, I really thought my sink was gonna break. I was getting scared. 74K, thank you. Let's try to get to 100K before I get off. Let's try to get to 100K. It seems like a workout. No, I'm breathing a little heavier because I think I have low iron again. I did stop taking my pills and everything, and it probably went down. Oh my god, this is so pink. A stack squeeze? Maybe. I don't know, maybe. I can try. I'm not good at it, so I never do stack. There. I never do stack. Beautiful overload. Just make sure we get everything. It looks edible, right? It looks like a strawberry ice cream or like strawberry milkshake. What are you guys doing this weekend? People in the chat, what are you guys doing this weekend? Staying home, going out, you guys have a party? Are you guys working? It smells like a laundry room in here. It smells amazing. I think we got all of it. Staying home. I can't believe I missed the mountain. Sorry. Shipping my 3 kids off to grandma and grandpa's. Oh! Now it looks like a baby pink. You guys see that? It looks like a baby pink. Will I save any? Yeah, I am gonna save one. The jug of Penalen, I'm gonna save 1 jug, and then everything else I'm not gonna save. What does it smell like? Like blush, right? Like a blush color. Super cute. Yes. Oh, I hope that this one. Okay, 1 second, chat. Let me make some room, and then we can mix. Yeah, everyone tap. Let's get to 100K. Let's get to 100K. Everyone tap. Everyone tap together. Ah, dang, I missed everything. Yes, you did. Let's get to 100K. 87. We are